My toe is really funny looking. I hate it when you touch me. Just shut up and drive, my stupid toe. Oh, earthquake. Oh, just kidding. Look.
Awkward.
What the hell?
OMJ, like, my BFF Jill.
Oh my god, so Stephanie died, and it's really, 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 really sad.
But don't worry.
And they're all shut up and drive, and Stephanie died, and it's like, shut up and drive. Because that's really sad.
We will see her again in eternity.
We will see her again in eternity.
When we rise.
And I know and I believe I will see you again in eternity.
We will.
He's doing this. Oh, no.
So sad though, the Jonas Brothers.
It's really sad because
their hearts are already problemed enough.
I know. It's not like they don't have enough stress from their job, and then it's like, oh my god. Like, their best friend, like, she's been their best friend forever, and all of a sudden she just died. It must be horrible.
And then they have to do the show tonight.
So yeah, they're going to be upset looking tonight, but, well, we won't mind, because
we love the Jonas Brothers, but we're crying right now. Like, seriously, that's why we don't have the camera pointed to us.
Yeah.
And I dyed my hair black in memory of Stephanie, even though her hair's blonde.
I just hope that her family's going to be alright. Anyway, some weird person's coming back in the room. But rest in peace.